Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first alternate card using the Celebrating in Color May 2022 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So everything except the ink is elements from the kit. This is one of the blank card bases. This is the inside of one of the envelopes cut to 5 1/4 by 4. And when I cut the envelopes, what I do is I put them in my paper trimmer and I trim just this edge off, and then I flip it over and just trim this edge off, and then it opens up and I can cut it down to size. So then, as you can see, this would be the top of the envelope, and I've cut it off to make it 5 1/4 by 4. I've got the happy die cut from the kit. I've got one of the banners from the kit and the matte dots. And I'm going to use the greeting from the kit to celebrate your day, but I'm going to stamp it in the sweet sorbet. And I'm going to stamp it in the sweet sorbet close to this edge because this is a long banner and I want it to go across the card, not up and down. So I'm going to ink this up, and these ink pads are so juicy and so bright. I'm just going to pop this down, and again, apologies if I get hair in the frame. So there we go. So happy to celebrate your day. Just put that off to the side, and we just really have to just put the card together. So I'm going to get my Stampin' Seal out and just adhere this to the card. And it's cut to 5 1/4 by 4, so it should go on the card base really easily. And then I'm going to use dimensionals on the back of the happy. I'm not going to put as many on as they did in the kit. I'm just going to put a few on just to make sure it's stable. And then maybe one more over there. Okay, so let's see how that works. Let's peel the backs off of these. And there we go. My family can always tell when I've been down in my craft studio because these little hexagon backings are all over the house. So I'm just going to line this up so that it's straight. And it is just ever so slightly wider than the card front. And then I'm just going to give that a push to put all those down. And then I'm going to trim this one off just before the 2. And I can use this piece. Definitely not going to throw that away. I can use that on another piece. And I'm just going to pop a couple of dimensionals on either end of this one so that I can attach this. So I want to put this, right over here. I want everything to kind of line up together like that. So there we go. So happy to celebrate your day. And then I thought I would put a couple of these matte dots just on the card, except they don't want to come off my finger. There we go. Oh, and that one dropped. There we go. And I'll put that one just over there. And could we put a third one on there? No, I think I'm going to leave it as it is. So there we go. There is our first outside the box card using elements from the Celebrating in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate cards.